today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a drape that looks like an open pallu, but doesn't come with the work and the drama of managing an open pallu. Now, especially for these saris that are a little bit heavier, they have a lot of embroidery, managing an open pallu, especially when you're at an event for many hours, can get really heavy and really annoying. So this drape pretty much contains the entire pallu, but still looks and gives the effortless look of an open pallu. So let's get started. So you're gonna start off with your sari silhouette and your crop top. I'm wearing the birthday crop from Bhuva.com and the black sari silhouette. And I'm going to start my drape in the middle of my body. For transparent saris, I like starting at the middle of my body because then when I do the pleats, I get more pleats, but also it looks seamless and it's not too many layers on either side. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck and then start pleating. So once you've taken your pallu, you want to put it over your shoulder and pin it in place. And then what you're gonna do is take the end of the pallu, do a couple of pleats like so, and tuck that into your front pleats as well. You wanna add a belt, but you wanna make sure that the belt kind of goes through the loop that you've created in your arm here. And that's pretty much it. So you have the open pallu, nothing is falling off your shoulder, everything is secure, but you still have that effortless look of the open pallu. And that's it. Now, I'm obviously 24 weeks pregnant, but this is a great option, even if you're not pregnant. I feel like during pregnancy, I'm always looking for ways to be more comfortable and feel and look effortless in a sari. And so these tiny little tips and tricks help me feel comfortable at an event, but you can use these tips even when you're not. And I think this drape is super flattering on everyone. So I hope you try it out. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in a future video.